Health benefits of dates. Dates are a highly nutritious fruit known for their numerous health benefits. Rich in nutrients, dates are a good source of essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, vitamins such as vitamin B6 and pantothenic acid, and minerals like potassium, magnesium, and copper. Natural sweetener. Dates are naturally sweet and can be used as a healthier alternative to refined sugars in recipes. They provide a quick energy boost due to their natural sugars. Fiber-rich. They are high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and can contribute to a feeling of fullness. Heart health. Dates contain potassium, which is beneficial for heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and can reduce the risk of stroke and heart disease. Bone health. The minerals in dates, such as magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, are important for maintaining healthy bones. Antioxidant properties. Dates are rich in antioxidants, which can help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Natural laxative. Dates can act as a natural laxative due to their fiber content, promoting regular bowel movements. Nutrients in dates. Dates are packed with various nutrients, including dietary fiber, which provides numerous health benefits, including promoting digestive health, regulating blood sugar levels, and supporting weight management. Vitamins, B6, pantothenic acid, minerals, for example, potassium, magnesium, copper, phosphorus, calcium. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect the body from the harmful effects of free radicals and oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Natural sugars, which are glucose and fructose. Protein in small amounts. Here are 5 healthy recipes using dates. Date energy balls. Combine dates, nuts, and other healthy ingredients like chia seeds and cocoa powder to make energy-boosting date balls. They make for a great on-the-go snack. Date smoothie. Blend dates with almond milk, a banana, and a dash of cinnamon for a creamy and nutritious date smoothie. Date and nut oat bars. Mix dates, rolled oats, nuts, and honey to create no-bake oat bars that serve as a wholesome snack or breakfast option. Stuffed dates with almonds. Stuff pitted dates with almonds and a sprinkle of sea salt for a simple and delicious snack that combines sweet and savory flavors. Date and walnut salad. Incorporate chopped dates and walnuts into your favorite salad recipe. The sweetness of dates and the crunch of walnuts add a delightful twist to your greens. Incorporating dates into your diet can be a tasty and nutritious way to enhance your overall health. Whether you enjoy them on their own, in smoothies, or as part of various recipes, dates offer a wide range of health benefits and a natural sweetness that makes them a versatile and satisfying addition to your meals. Thanks for watching!